Good morning, students. Welcome you on the onset of online learning platform. Today we will start class 7th English grammar, chapter number 35, paragraph writing. Students, do you know what is paragraph writing? Paragraph writing is a series of sentences on a particular idea or topic. Understand? You have seen paragraphs in a story, in an essay or in letter, and paragraphs make us easier to understand about the story, about the letter, about the topic. Understand? A paragraph deals with one topic or idea. The idea usually summed up in one sentence. In a singular sentence you can get about the idea about the topic of paragraph. This sentence is called the topic sentence, and this topic sentence will be in the starting of the paragraph. That will be the main heading. Understand? About the topic. It says what the paragraph is about, and your topic sentence will tell about your paragraph. The other sentences explain, develop or support the idea stated in the topic sentence, and other sentences explain, develop or support the idea stated in the topic sentence. Whatever mentioned in topic sentence, the supporting sentences and other sentences will develop and explain about the paragraph, about the heading, main paragraph. Understand? Which we say topic sentence. The topic sentence often comes at the beginning of the paragraph, and you must know that the topic sentence must come at the beginning of the sentence. Understand? So you have understood here that in paragraph writing you will write a series of sentences on a particular idea or topic, and the topic will be in the front, in the starting of the paragraph, and the sentence will summed up about the paragraph, about the topic. The sentence will summed up about the topic. By the sentence you can know about the paragraph, what will be written. Understand? And other sentences will develop, explain about the what? Will explain about, develop, support the idea stated in the topic sentences, tell about the topic sentences. Understand? And topic sentence often comes at the beginning of the paragraph. Understand? Here are some points, few hints on the procedure that are very necessary when you are going to write paragraphs. You must know it properly. First thing, keep the paragraph on one topic. Paragraph must be on one topic. You must not be diverted in many topics. You must write only on a singular topic. Understand? Include a topic sentence, and you must include a topic sentence. Suppose that you are writing about the topic is no pen no gain, so you must include a topic sentence in the paragraph. Understand? About the paragraph you must mention, include a topic sentence. Use supporting sentences that give details or facts about the topic. And in paragraph writing especially, you must write what? Use supporting sentences that give details or facts about the topic. That will give details or fact. You must not write a story just like you are writing a story. Your feelings and emotions must not be come in paragraph writing. In paragraph writing you must write facts, details about the topic. Understand? You must not write, suppose that when I was a boy I was going there. Such type of sentences must not be included in paragraph writing. You must write the original genuine things, facts. Suppose that exercise is good for health, so you have to write about the benefits of exercise. Understand? And demerits also. The facts only. It makes us healthy, wise, Understand? You may write, it makes us healthy, wise and active. Exercise makes us healthy, wise and active. Such type of ideas, facts must be included if the topic is about health. Include vivid words. The words will be clear. Whatever the word you are presenting, the words must be clear. The meaning must be clear. Include sentences that make sense and stick to the topic. And the sentences which will you write, will you connect, that will be connected to the main topic. Make sure that it does not have run-on sentences, and you have not to write on running sentences. Means that not present your emotions and thoughts, your opinions. You must only write about the facts, genuine things. Friends, here we will see how to write paragraph. Before writing, you have to know that you have not to write paragraph just like essay writing, not to present your emotions and feelings. The factual facts must be here, must be there. You must write the factual facts, understand? And paragraph writing must be short, not too big, understand? So come on the paragraph writing. I have chosen the topic television. So here we will get that what has written, we will know. Whatever have written here, we will know here, understand? And this will give you better idea how to write paragraph, understand? So look at here, television is a wonderful invention of science. It has brought the world before our eyes. It gives us both picture and sound. We can see and hear various programs for a great distance. The most popular TV programs are songs, dance, dramas, films, games and sports, etc. One major items on TV is the telecast of news. There are many instructive and educational programs on television. Overall, we can say that you have to include here. Overall, you can say that television has become the essential part of our lives. So here in this paragraph writing, you are getting only facts. You are not getting feelings and emotions, and all the sentences are related to particular subject, connected to the subject only. We have not to present our feelings, ideas, thoughts, emotions, understand? Just like we present in essay, we have to write the facts. The original things must be presented in paragraph, and paragraph must be short, not be lengthy, just like essay writing. So I hope that you have understood all this clearly. Thanks for watching the video.